I am from Nanded. I joined here in the October 2024. I am enrolled for the full stack Java development course. My trainer, so I have different trainers. Like for core Java, my trainer was for B.TECH sir, and for B.TECH and React it was Gita, and for advanced Java it was Ravi sir, and SQL trainers were like Gandhi sir. There were different kinds of mocks, like mocks, presentations, and the training here was very good as compared to I got hands-on experience on different types of technologies like coding in Java, and so finally in the last month I got this opportunity in SQL.